Hey everyone, welcome back to DCW Live Breaks. I'm your host, Box Break Brian. It's been a little bit of a slow day today, but we're going to end it with a great finale here. We've got a bunch of products by Upper Deck. We're going to be doing a break for number 33. That's what he wants to be called from now on. We're going to be doing 11-12 SP Authentic. We'll be doing 11-12 The Cup. And we'll also be doing 06-07 SP Authentic. Hello, Lumpjaw. So let's get going. I'm assuming you want to start with the 11-12 SP Authentic, number 33. I'm going to close up shot here. Are you with me? No, we're not doing pick and pick there, Alex. All right, we're going to start with the 11-12. Looking for some Nuge here. Yes, good luck, Magnus / number 33. I don't know what that means. So we got base, 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 decoy, base. Landeskog is definitely better, but I am an Avs fan, so. Base, 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 and a decoy. Let's hope I can get the pack open. Alright, so we got base, 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 and a decoy. Base, 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 and a decoy. Let's hope. You had a good day yesterday, so let's hope for another one today. Base, 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 base. And we have a rookie Hollow FX of Devontae Smith-Pelly. And that is not numbered. So raise this up a little bit. All right. We got base, 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 base. We have Timu Hardikinen, rookie Hollow FX, and decoy. We got base, base, base. And we have our first future watch of Cameron Gaunce. And that is numbered 453 out of 999. And decoy. And we got a redemption. Base, 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 base. And the redemption is 2011-12 SP Authentic Future Watch Limited Auto Patch. And it looks like it's numbered to 100 of Adam Larson. So that's a pretty solid hit right there for a patch auto. I got base, 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 base. Decoy. We've got base, 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 and base. Base, 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 base. Decoy. We have an SP Essentials of Ilya Kovalchuk. And that is not numbered. Base, 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 base. Decoy. Next we have base, base, base. We have another Future Watch of Ben Scrivens, numbered 483 out of 999. Not bad. And decoy. Base, 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 base. And we have a Future Watch of Anders Nielsen, 361 out of 999. Decoy. Base, 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 base. And a decoy. We have another SP Essential of Henrik Lundqvist. Not numbered. Base, 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 base. And decoy. We have base, 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 base. All base in that pack. A decoy. Yeah, exactly. Base, 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 base. Decoy. Base, 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 base. All base. Decoy. 5 packs left of 2011-12 SP Authentic. Base, 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 and base. Decoy. We have base, 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 and base. And we have base, 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 base. All base. Decoy. 2 packs left. Let's hope for an extra hit here. Base, 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 base. Decoy. Last pack of 11-12 SP Authentic. Base, 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 and base. And decoy. So we got the Scrivens auto, the Gauntz auto, and the Adam Larson patch auto. It's a pretty solid box right there. So we'll move on to 06, 07 SP Authentic. Let's see what we get out of here. First time opening this, so yeah, that was our main thing, to make sure there's awesome video. I mean, it looks cloudy in the background, but we have it that way so that the cards show up better. All right, let's see what we got out of here. We're going to start off with the Future Watch Auto. Base. Future Watch Auto of Christopher Letang. So that's a good start. 435 out of 999. Let's keep rolling, see what we get. Base. I'll try to show you some Crosbys. Base. All base in that pack. Base. We have a Future Watch of Michael Wall, and that is numbered 1253 out of 1999. Next pack, we have base, all base. We have base. We have another Future Watch numbered 287 and 999 of Patrick Columbi. And we have base, and base. Got another Future Watch, base of Kevin Dahlman. And that is numbered 556 out of 999. Next pack. Base. Only got a little stick in here. Base. Decoy. And let's hope there's nothing in here. All base. Base, and base. Wow, we got the sticky one here. Base, and base. All base in that one. Next pack. Packs are sticking. We have, oh man, base, and base. Next pack. base. We have a future watch since it fell off of Dennis Weidman, 1906 of 1999. Nice hit there. Base, base, and base. We have base, 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 and base. I'm trying here. See if we can find them in here. These decoys are killing me. They made everything stick. Base, 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 base and base, and decoy. Base, 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 and two more base. We have a base, 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 and base. Last row for the first box of 06-07 SP Authentic Hockey. Oh, we got another auto. Base, base, base. I believe it's a Sign of Times auto for the Red Wings of Chris Draper. So that's a nice hit right there, and it is not numbered. But solid player, on-card auto. Very nice. So we have, oh, there's a Crosby. Base, 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 but not the one you wanted. We have base, 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 decoy, base, and base. 4 more packs for the first box. Base, base, base. SP notables of Eric Stahl and Sidney Crosby. Neither one of them are numbered, but they're notable. Oh, they are numbered. I'm sorry, I'm a liar. We have 574 out of 999 and 547 out of 999. Base, 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 base. All base there. 3 packs left. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and base. Last pack of the first box. We have base, 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 and base. All right, moving on to the second box of 06-07 SP Authentic. Let's see what we can do here. Hopefully get a Crosby this time. Empty box. Let's go. It's Start off with base, 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 and base. We have an auto. Base, base, base. Auto of Scott Gomez, Sign of Times. And that is not numbered. Next pack. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and base. All base there. Let's keep rolling. Looking for some Crosby auto. A lot of rookies in this year. Base, 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 base. Malkin auto in here. I am Bach base Brian today. It's a lot of base. Base, 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 base. That was a solid line right there. Base, base, base. Decoy. Base, base. Got to throw the decoy in there every once in a while. Base, 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 base. We have SP Notables of Alexander Steen, numbered 629 out of 999. Yes, we are in the Buffalo area. And no, we have not seen any Grigorenkos, 1/1. Base, 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 base. But I wouldn't tell you if I did because I'd want it first because I also collect Sabres. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and base. Alright, I'll give you first dibs because I have a wife to deal with and she'd be pretty ticked off if I bought a 1/1. Got a Future Watch auto. Base, base, base. Future Watch auto of Brett Lebda. It's numbered 673 out of 999. Base, 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 base. We have SP Notables of Aginlaw, and that is 615 out of 999. Robert, email me what you got. We'll talk about it. Next pack. Base, 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 base. All base there. All base. We've got another Future Watch. Base, base, base. And it is of Jeremy Williams. Numbered 36 out of 999. Yeah, Grigorenko's pretty hard to pull. I bought his rookie card off eBay. I'm going after the year before his rookie card. The patch auto, I think, is out of it. Base, 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 and base. Some of his stuff is hard to find. Got his Artifacts auto coming whenever Upper Deck sends that out. base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and base. Where's Ovi? I know. Base, 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 and base. 4 packs to go. Don't know if we're going to find another auto. Hopefully. Oh, these ones are stuck together. Base, base, base. Decoy. And base, base. 3 packs. Let's see what we got here. We got base, 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 and we have a future watch of Merrick Schwartz, numbered 646 out of 999. All right, if you want a patch, I mean, we'll try finding one here. Patch auto would be nice out of this. Base, 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 and base. Last one. It's a thick one. Maybe it is a patch auto. Oh, it's just stuck together. Base, base, decoy, and base, base, and base. All right. So we got, run through the future watches real quick with you. All the autos. We got Jeremy Williams, Brett Labeta, Scott Gomez, Chris Draper, Kevin Dahlman, and Chris Letang. So Chris Letang, that's a pretty solid hit right there for you. Future watch auto. So let's get to the big one. We got Upper Deck 2011-12, the Cup. Let's hope for some big ones out of here. Empty box. Here we go. Let's do it. Alright, just email me what you want. I'll stick around for a little bit longer. Here we go. We are going to start with Matt Duchene, numbered 116 out of 249. We have a patch auto of Braden McNabb, numbered 4 of 249. We have a redemption of, just says the Cup Limited, doesn't say what it is. Oh, sorry, logos of PK Subban. It's probably limited logos. We have a triple relic of Leland Irving, Greg Nemes, and Roman Horek. And that is not numbered. Oh, sorry, it is 25 of 25. My finger was covering it. Nice job. We have a jersey of Dale Howardchuk, number 24 of 25. And real nice hit right here. Solid patch. Number 3 out of 10. Tony Esposito. So that's a pretty solid patch right there. It's right off the crest. Yeah, that is pretty sick. So there we go. There we have it. We got that all top loaded up. If you have another order, shoot that into me quickly. I'm going to get rolling soon. Get that through for you. everybody else, thanks for watching. Everybody else that's looking to break, you can reach me at boxbreakbrian@dacardworld.com. Follow me on Twitter at DACWLiveBreaks, or go to our website, dacardworld.com/live. And I think we'll have another break coming up shortly, so I will be back.